When it comes to replacing or installing windows in New Orleans, one of the most important considerations is the city's unique climate. With hot, humid summers, frequent rainstorms, and the ever-present possibility of hurricanes, your window choice can significantly affect the comfort, durability, and energy efficiency of your home. Here's a customer-focused guide to the best window materials for withstanding New Orleans' challenging conditions. Vinyl windows. Affordable and low-maintenance. Vinyl windows are a popular choice among homeowners in humid climates like New Orleans for good reason. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl is resistant to moisture, which is a major advantage in an area where humidity levels are high year-round. Pros: excellent resistance to warping and rotting. Insulated frames can help reduce energy bills. Low maintenance, no need for painting or staining. Budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. Cons: limited color option. Not as strong as aluminum in extreme weather. If you're looking for a cost-effective, no-fuss solution that performs well in high humidity, vinyl is a strong contender. Fiberglass windows. Built for strength and humidity, fiberglass windows are gaining popularity in southern regions due to their unmatched durability and resilience in hot, moist environments. Made from glass fibers and resin, these windows resist swelling, shrinking, or warping due to temperature or humidity changes. Pros: exceptional resistance to moisture and mold. Superior thermal insulation. Can mimic the look of wood without the upkeep. Long lifespan with minimal maintenance. Cons: higher initial cost than vinyl. Limited availability in some custom styles. For homeowners looking for a long-term investment that pays off in durability and energy efficiency, fiberglass windows are worth considering. Aluminum windows. Strong and hurricane-ready. In hurricane-prone areas like New Orleans, aluminum windows provide an added layer of security and strength. They're lightweight, structurally sound, and often used in commercial buildings for their durability. Pros: excellent wind resistance and structural integrity. The slim frame design offers a modern look with larger glass panes. Recyclable and environmentally friendly. Cons: conducts heat, making insulation a concern without thermal breaks. Can corrode in salt-heavy coastal air if not properly treated. Aluminum windows with a thermal break are ideal for homeowners prioritizing storm resistance and modern aesthetics. Composite windows. The best of all worlds. Composite windows combine materials like wood fibers and thermoplastics to create a highly durable and moisture-resistant product. This hybrid solution is perfect for New Orleans homeowners who want the strength of wood without its vulnerabilities. Pros: moisture-resistant and energy-efficient, mimics traditional wood for historic or high-end homes. Low maintenance with excellent weather performance. Cons: generally more expensive than vinyl and aluminum. Limited availability in some regions. If your home is in a historic district or you want both beauty and function, composite windows are a premium choice. Wood-clad windows. Classic style with a protective twist. For those who love the warmth of wood but worry about New Orleans humidity, wood-clad windows offer a great compromise. These windows feature a wooden interior for aesthetics and a protective exterior, often aluminum or vinyl, to shield the wood from moisture. Pros: traditional, elegant appearance, improved durability due to exterior cladding, good insulation when properly sealed. Cons: higher price point, requires regular maintenance to prevent interior wood damage. Wood-clad windows are best for homeowners willing to invest in both style and maintenance. Final thoughts: choose with climate in mind. Choosing the best window material for your New Orleans home means thinking beyond looks. With high humidity, frequent storms, and intense heat, your windows need to stand up to the elements without sacrificing energy efficiency or comfort. If you're seeking a balance between affordability and performance, vinyl is a smart pick. For maximum durability and minimal maintenance, fiberglass and composite options shine. And if storm protection is a top priority, aluminum windows offer unmatched structural strength. Investing in the right windows today means peace of mind and savings for years to come, even in the heart of the Big Easy.